In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add YouTube account in Hootsuite. If you use Hootsuite to manage social media, connecting your YouTube channel can help you keep your workflow organized in one place. To get started, open Hootsuite in your browser or app and make sure you are signed in to the correct account where you want to manage connections. First, click your profile image icon in the bottom left corner. This is the menu button that gives you access to your account settings. Take a moment to look at the bottom left area of the screen. You should see a small profile photo or avatar. Click it once and wait for the menu to slide open. This step matters because all of the social account connections are managed from the profile menu. Next, click Social Accounts and Teams from the slide-out menu. Once the menu appears, look for the option labeled Social Accounts and Teams. Click that option to move to the section where Hootsuite manages which platforms are connected to your organization. After you select it, you should see a page that relates to connections and team access. This is where you will add your YouTube channel so it becomes available for posting and management. Now click the plus or plus icon next to your organization name. In that social accounts area, you should notice your organization listed, along with controls for adding new connections. The plus icon is the button that starts the process of connecting another service. Click the plus icon once and wait for the next panel or window to appear. This step is important because it links the YouTube account connection directly to your organization in Hootsuite. After that, select Connect Social Accounts. You may see a prompt that offers different ways to connect. Choose Connect Social Accounts, so you are taken into the supported network connection flow. When you do this, Hootsuite will prepare a list of social networks you can connect. This keeps the process simple and ensures you only select the correct platform type. Then select YouTube from the list of social network choices. On the list, find the option for YouTube and click it. If the list is long, take your time to ensure you choose YouTube specifically, since Hootsuite may also list other social networks. Selecting YouTube is the key step that switches the connection flow to the Google and YouTube authorization steps. Finally, sign in to the specific Google account that owns your channel and click Allow. A sign-in window will appear, which is the authorization step required to connect YouTube. Use the Google credentials for the account that actually owns the YouTube channel you want to connect in Hootsuite. After you sign in, carefully review the permission prompt and then click Allow to grant access. This authorization confirms that Hootsuite is permitted to connect to your YouTube resources. Once you complete the Allow step, give Hootsuite a moment to finish the connection. Depending on your account settings, you may see a confirmation that YouTube is connected, or you may return to the Social Accounts page with the YouTube entry listed. At that point, your YouTube channel connection should be ready for use. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.